Hey guys, we received this MEDca sound amplifier for test and try. This is a pocket sound voice enhancer device with a mic or the ear plus extra headphones and microphone set. So you can see it comes in a nice box. So let me just open up this. So basically what it do is like it amplify the sound around you so that you can easily hear in your ears. So you can see this comes in a really nice box. So the manual, the earpieces, this is the amplifier unit. So you have to put in this battery. So the batteries comes with it. So you have to put this battery inside. It's a AAA battery. So I just see like plus and minus put in here, and that is good. And you can just on and off button with the volume and control. So these are the special headphones as it comes with the extra headphones. So one is the dual one is the single one. And also, like you have to keep in mind that there are the two sets of earplugs and two packs here. So one e of each size in one Ziploc. So that I will show. And here is the very thin flexible wire here. So these are the headphones that comes with it. So they are not the aux cable. So you have to be very specific for these headphones as this work on this machine only. So here is the Ziploc earplugs as I mentioned. So there are three different or four different sizes here, and this other pair is in the other Ziploc. So it's not like the two pair all at once. So yeah, like the other Ziploc, and then here is the other set. So if you want to use for the both ears, you use a different headphone with the both side, and if you want to use one, this is the one. So this fits really well on the top, so you can change it easily or the replace them easily and then use. So it's like this put it, I tested it. It's really nice, clear voice, and you can adjust the voice. It amplify the surrounding sound, and then you can just use it. So earphones are comfortable as well, but you have to choose the right ear plug so that it can fit in. So these are the things as you mentioned with the single one, and this is for the dual one, and then you can easily use and switch.